Today Fiza will show you how to make perfect saffron rice using an instant pot.
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are 2 cup basmati rice. I have soaked the rice in water for 15 minutes. Salt to taste. Saffron water 1 tablespoon. Cardamom 3. Bay leaves 2. Cumin seed half teaspoon and 1 cinnamon stick. 2 tablespoon oil and 2 cups water. Start saute mode on more high heat. Add 2 tablespoon oil and add bay leaves, cardamom, cinnamon stick and cumin seeds, and we'll wait for them to crackle. You can see it starts crackling. At this point, add your salt, add 2 cups of water and your rice. Add your rice. Now cancel saute mode. Cover your lid. Set the handle on sealing mode and start your pressure cook, and time is 3 minutes on high pressure. After 3 minutes pressure, I will open the handle to the sealing venting mode and release the pressure. After the steam is released, I will uncover the lid. Rice are ready. At this point, we will add saffron water. We will add saffron water, almost 1 tablespoon, and cover the lid again for next 5 minutes. Saffron rice are ready to serve.